Tish 21. What's going on, guys? So today we are actually installing a new mod on the C63, and let me just show you guys real quick what that is. So we got a set of H&R coils to put on the car. I can't wait to see how this thing's gonna look. This thing needs to be lowered. It looks really odd stock height, and especially since I'm not running a really wide tire in the back, I definitely need to drop over here. So I'm worried it's gonna rub a little bit, but we don't know for sure. I'm hoping. It looks to me, my calculations tell me it should be pretty close, but let's see how it goes once they're installed. The cold start. Got the G up on jack stands right now. Engine's outside. For those of you who don't know, we're just doing a new head gasket, a couple small things on that one here, and hopefully have it back on the road very soon. We're at my boy's shop, Lacy Auto. Hopefully we can get this coils installed. He's gonna be giving me the Coupe for the day. So I'm gonna have a Q50 3-liter turbo for the day. We're gonna head over to Gord Bush Performance, drop off some cash for the motor build, and then come pick up the car in the evening, see how it looks. So quick look at the car before we throw the coils on. You can see the ride height. This is how it currently looks. So we got probably, like, I'm hoping it'll drop the back about like an inch, and maybe the front about an inch and a half at least, just to level it out, because the front seems to be a little bit higher than the back. Car looks nasty still, but definitely want to get it to be proper ride height. I think everything's gonna look really good once it's dropped, like the whole diffuser setup and the front lip. Once it's lower to the ground, that's definitely how you want to have it. By the way, guys, see the Z right here? There's a big story about the Z. So when I first got my G35 Coupe, he was one of the first people I met at a random car meet in the city. I used to be actually silver with a wing on it and everything. This was his first car. Now he has a GTR and shit. But this was the original top speed exhaust, guys, that you guys know built my channel and everything, okay? This system right here, I bought this exhaust from him and he installed it on my G, and that's what started it all right there. So that's, take that in. I don't know if I'd ever see myself in one of these. I don't think it's ratchet enough for me. What do you guys think? I know a lot of you guys are Q fans and shit. Definitely a nice like daily, but I don't know. Interior is definitely mad nice. I should do a review on this car, but I don't think his is tuned. VR boys. So these cars get some of you excited, eh? Let's see what it's all about. Y'all are on something else with these cars. I better like this, you know? Give it a chance. There's no, I don't know how, you think you can compare this to that? Come on, dog. What are you guys talking about? I don't care how fast it is, or it can be. Okay. Alright, it's definitely got a little bit of punch to it. You can definitely feel a ton of torque as soon as the turbos kick in. That's not too bad, actually. It's the sound, man. It's missing the sound, though, I'll tell you that. It does not have that at all. So it's definitely got the punch. It's definitely got the go. It doesn't have the aggression of any kind of V8, but it has the go of the V8, which is really cool. It has that big torque. Like, these make a lot of torque, especially on the mid-range. Definitely what was missing on the VQs for sure. The interior is definitely a nice place to be, even more so than the AMG, I think, almost. Probably equal to or a little bit better than. I like this whole display console double screen thing going on over here. It's really nice. Decent step over the G37, that's for sure. That thing was getting a little dated, but honestly a cleanly set up G37 is still really nice, even on the interior side.
Watch
that
out,
one's
stopped on shoulder ahead.
All right, bitch. There is one thing I want to say about this car. These are probably what, like 30 G's used, right? Something like that for like a mint one, maybe less, I think. The fact that you can get, actually no, they're probably even cheaper, but anyways, the fact that you can get a C63 for like around the same value as this car, it is nowhere near the same. Like, I'm telling you right now, guys, out of the box, stock for stock, handling wise, like, this car feels a lot more sloppy than the AMG. And I know you're gonna say, okay, but that's a $100,000 car brand new, and this is like a $50,000 car, but I'm just letting you know that in the used market, they're roughly the same price. And there's people who are gonna be buying these over that car. And I can tell you right now, at least stock for stock, like, let me drive the modified one and I'll tell you guys again, but as far as stock for stock, this does not feel like a performance car whatsoever. It feels more like a Ultima or something like that, or a Maxima. Like, when I drove the Infinities, like the G35 and G37, like, those still had like more of a sportier feel to it. This, it feels like it has power, but then when it comes to like the rest of the car, it feels like it falls flat on its face. I might be being too critical about it, but I can tell you right now, I would rather spend money buying a used C63 and deal with the maintenance. And look at this son of a bitch. Yo, like, lean left, dog. Okay, so that's just my opinion, guys. Do that as you will, but like, it's a nice ass car. But as far as like a sporty car to drive, the AMG is where it's at for the money. Like, I'm telling you right now, that car, the way it sounds, the way it drives, the way it handles, the way it slides, like, everything about that thing is amazing. This, it feels like an Ultima. Sorry guys, I'm really sorry, but it just does. I don't know what it is about it, but like that, I mean, granted, I'm sure once you put some coils on it, you know, and you do some couple mods to the exhaust, it'll sound a little better, it'll handle better, but it's not gonna sound anything that great. Like, I'll still rather take my G with the motor dyne, you know, or something like that. It's nice, it's a nice daily, but as a sports car, it's not it, guys. Sorry. All right, we're just pulling up here at Gord Bush Performance. I doubt he's made any progress on the motor just yet. I'm gonna see if he has, but I know he's probably just still working on getting the new head studs, because we're doing the GTR head studs. So he's probably just working on getting that sorted out. All right, so just dropped off some cash to Gord to hopefully grease the wheels a little bit and speed up the process of, you know, getting the motor put back together. Hopefully as quick as possible. By the way, guys, if you guys are in the Toronto area and you need your engine built, check him out. It's Gord Bush Performance. There's the information there for you guys. But he's an amazing guy, and like, just great to work with. A lot of race teams use Gord Bush Performance for their engine builds and stuff like that. So I talked to him about you know, what's going on with the build, and he essentially told me that he's looking to work out the head studs right now. Stock G35 head studs is like 11 mil. These are, I believe, 12 mil GTR Titan Motorsports L19 head studs. So what he's saying is that if he can catch the threads and insert the head studs, it'll be fine. But if he can't, he got some helicoils that he's gonna put in, which will actually make it even stronger, because the helicoils have like the steel inserts. So he's like, that it'll even make it almost like a 14 mil head stud. So that'll actually be even better for us. So I'm hoping he actually does that. It might actually be beneficial. Let's say we're highway speed right there. Quicker than the last time I did it. Maybe the turbos are getting hot already. Got heat soak stock. All right, guys, so we're just on the way to pick up the AMG right now. I saw a few pictures of it. It looks pretty nasty. They are used, so I got them from a buddy of mine who only had them for like a season on his car, and it looked pretty slammed in the back on his car, but it was a sedan, and on the coupe the coils fit, but it's not slammed, so it actually looks like a pretty clean ride height. So really excited to see what it looks like. I've been driving this for the day, and honestly, it's starting to grow on me. It's super comfortable. It's really enjoyable on the low speed, like off the go, and like, you know, second gear, you get put into your seat quite a bit. The torque is really nice on this car. Would I buy one and own it personally? Probably not, but I mean, as a daily, this thing is actually really good. Fuel consumption wise, the AMG does about like 15 liters per 100 kilometers on average. This thing does like 13.8, which is not a huge big difference. I'll put the America per gallon in the bottom for you guys. But yeah, honestly, it's a pretty good car, but I still take the AMG over that shit. All right, let's go check out the AMG. All right, guys, here it is. Big shout out to Desi Auto for installing the coils for me. This is absolutely perfect. The guy I bought the coils off of, he actually had it really slammed in the back, but they adjusted it slightly higher because I wanted it to be a little more even with the fronts, and this is looking absolutely perfect. Take a look at this. Probably needs a little bit of tire shine still, and I don't know how the wide angle lens is doing on the video, but I might switch it to linear just to see. Let's take a look how it looks in linear. 1 second. All right, here's what it looks like in regular linear mode, not wide angle. I think it looks a lot better. The wide angle on the GoPro is really good for more of like a POV shot, but for the for this kind of stuff, you really don't want a wide angle. You really get to see the lines a lot better without the wide angle. This would definitely look a lot better with the tire shine on the car, but for now, you guys get a little clean little walk around of the car. Definitely a perfect ride height. I don't think I'm gonna rub. I hope not, at least. It looks really close though. This is gonna be interesting. I think we can do a little bit wider tire in the back. It's currently only a 235, so all those slides you guys see are on a 235 tire. It can definitely use like a 245 at least. 255 might rub a tiny bit, but we're gonna have to see if I keep these wheels or not. But so far I'm absolutely really happy with this. Now we got to go see how it handles, because obviously a lot has changed now. We got to get an alignment done once you do the coils. One thing's for sure, guys, I can tell you this, that until right about this point I was really missing the white sedan. I really liked the way that car looked and sounded, but now that this is finally set up properly, I don't miss the white one so much. Everything's coming along really nice. Let's go take a look at how it drives. Not bad at all.
Bro, the
dude.
Carries,
yeah, and the front end wants to turn in now.
It's mint.
Yeah, it's mint. Drives mint. I didn't hear any rubbing.
Oh.
Right? No rubbing. Oh.
I didn't know what the fuck was going on. I'm like, bro, the turbo just kicked in and everything just went loose.
That was full sideways. You saved it nice though.
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
I didn't panic. I'm like, yo, I'm saving this. I'm not
I looked at you, I'm like, oh, he's gone. And I'm like, no, he's gonna have it. He's gonna have it. My God.
Fuck.
I've never seen that. Oh my God. Yo, you were full, like, wait till you see the video.
Yeah?
You were full sideways. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.
Hey, yo.